Most people think personal growth is complicated, but what if it's not? Just 3 simple changes could transform your life. No flashy routines, no overwhelming plans. Let's break it down. The 5-minute rule. Whenever you feel stuck, tell yourself, just do it for 5 minutes. That's it. Once you start, momentum takes over. It works for working out, studying, or that task you've been avoiding. The 1-page rule. Read just 1 page of a good book every day. Sounds easy, right? But over time, those pages turn into chapters, into books, and into the knowledge that changes how you think. The reflection rule. Before bed, ask yourself, what did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? Small daily reflections lead to big transformations. That's it. 5 minutes of action, 1 page of learning, 1 moment of reflection. Try it for 30 days and see how your life changes. Let's grow together.